Hi, this is Hana at Capital. I'm here in Albany, and I noticed in our showroom there was a collection of samples out, and one of them caught my eye. It is a Design by Billie here, who's doing a bathroom with a customer, and it has one of the really cool products that Onyx has available. So let me have her tell us all about it.
Seen me before extolling the virtues of Onyx. This is just another example. This is just a decorative accent piece. It's all one piece of Onyx. No grout lines, no detail, just sweet and simple for cleaning. So if you're looking for a great new shower, come check out Onyx.
All right, so to show a little bit further what Billie is talking about is you can see here this beautiful tile is inset in between the two pieces of Onyx. So you end up with a little bit of lip. This is completely smooth with the subway tile look, but the tile that's inset is not. So you have the ease for cleaning, but there is that little lip. Now, if we look over here where Billie has this other piece that we're talking about, you see it's one complete smooth look. So you have this decorative accent in the middle that you can make whatever color, and there's some different sizes, but it's completely smooth. So Billie's showing you both options, 1 versus 2. Both are amazing and look great in the shower, but just depending on what look you're going for and how you want to clean your shower, you have choices with Onyx, which is fantastic.